It will ask me if yes, I'm sure. So I print yes. The technical stack use. I have mainly used Python as a core main programming language. The entire application. Everyone, my name is Maitri Santosh Katore. Currently, I am studying in second year computer engineering. I am pursuing a Python full stack course through Technodextrous. Today, I am going to present my first Python mini project, Student Login Information App. The main project idea is to create a simple application that stores student login information. The project helps in maintaining student details like registration login data in an organized way. It is useful for basic college or academic system where student records need to be managed securely. The main purpose of the project is to create a secure, efficient system of student registration and login. It helps in maintaining a centralized database and ensure proper authentication of users. The features of this project include student registration, secure login system, profile view and update option, admin panel, dashboard access, database storage using files. The technical stack use. I have mainly used Python as a core main programming language. The entire application using standard Python libraries, as Python helps you handle logic, authentication, and flow control easily. The technical explanation here are Python as the main language for this project. Second, file handling. File handling uses to store student registration like login data in a text file. Operators like read, write, append, update are performed. The text file works as a simple database for the project. The OS module is the file path that handling and checking for file existence. It also helps in managing directories or creating file if they do not exist. The implementation steps in this code is first we create a file called student text. Then we import required modules like OS and define functions such as update function such as update student. Template design. Student data is stored in a fixed format where each student information is saved in a separate line. That makes data to be read, easy, and update by the user. Root functionality are the program checks whether the file exists using OS path exists. It reads data, split records, find the required student update information, and rewrite the file. Code overview. The code reads the file, find the record, update the required fields, and save the changes properly. First, I have used the import the OS module. It helps to work with files like checking if file exists or deleting it. Then I create a data file which store the name of the file where all the student records will be saved. So first function is def add student, which is the function which used to add student information like name, age, roll number, department, year, email, contact, address using the input function. All the data will be separated each other by 40 dash in use to separate one student record from another. All the data will be appended through A in the data file where the path of the file exists. The next function is use def display student is to display the records of all students, and it will first check if the path exists in it or not, and it will check if the content is there to file read, so the data is present and will display all the student information. The next function is def search student. This function search student information by first asking the input keyword value as the roll number or name of the student, and by checking line by line with the all the data from the we have saved in the text file, that it will check and give the student information to the user. The next function is def update student is used for updating the student information using by inputting giving the roll number. It enters the roll number of student and check by each of them from the present data or year, and do change the data from the old ones to the new one in the from the text file. So the updated student data will be get saved in the text file. All the new data will be then append in the student records in the data file and will be written. The next function is def delete all data. It is used to check, used to delete all the data. First, it will check, ask the user to if to delete all the data or not. If it give yes, so the all the data will be get deleted by asking so that the data will not get lost. After this, the main function in this program code is menu function, where the student asks first the choices to be given, such as choice 1, add student, display, search, update, delete, or exit the program. So here are the choices. Now the last is used as the if the main entry point for program, so that menu function can be started. Now first let's start by inputting some values. First I will give choice as 1. Ask name, so I've put name as Neha, roll number as 23, age 17, department CS, year of study 3rd year, email ID as Neha @gmail.com. Enter the contact number. So you have given the contact number, address, so now let's, by putting some value like to display its student information. Here we will get the student information to be displayed as above. Now this will show how the student record data will be saved of all. Now suppose I have to delete the data. I will click 5. It will ask me if yes, I'm sure. So I print yes. All the data is deleted successfully. Now first again I'm trying to display data by entering 2, but here we get the no data file found because we have deleted all the data. Now let's exit the program by entering 6. So the program is being now ended. Here is how I have created the student or record information in a storing in a file. So thank you.